Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. Before we get started, as usual, make sure to grab a pencil and paper so that you can take proper notes as you follow along. Today's topic is dealing with equivalent ratios. We're giving a table that contains x and y values, which are equivalent ratios. Remember that equivalent means that they have the same value. And in this particular example, they want us to fill in the missing value from the given table. So as you can see, I have what's called the do-do method. I know it sounds weird, but it's actually a really good strategy that works, and it's pretty simple. I learned it from my sixth graders this year, so I'm going to show it to you. Before we get into that, I do want to make sure that I remind you that your ratios can come in three different forms. They can be written as fractions, as you see here. They can be written as a colon or with the word to. Alright, so these are my three ways that I can represent a ratio. Alright, so again, in this particular example, we're going to use what's called the do-do method to find the missing value for our y value in our table. So my approach to this is we're given an x value, and to go from this input to this y value, which is our output, what operation are we using? And typically when your number increases, you're either going to be using multiplication or addition. So I know it has to be one of those two. Alright, so in order to go from 2 to 6, what operation are you performing? Well, you're actually multiplying by 3, because we know that 2 times 3 is 6. Let's just go ahead and do the same process with the other two ratios that are given to see if they're also multiplying by 3. So to go from 7 to 21, again, it looks like we're multiplying by 3. And to go from 9 to 27, we're also multiplying by 3. So the process is what you do to one ratio, you have to do to the other, which is why they call it the do-do method. So we need to take 5 and multiply it by 3 in order to figure out that missing y value. So 3 times 5 obviously is 15, which makes B my final answer. So just to recap really quickly, remembering that equivalent means that they have to have the same value. Your ratios can be written in three different ways, which we've represented here. We use what's called the do-do method. So what you do to one ratio, you do to the other, and that helped us find the missing y value by multiplying 5 times the 3 to get 15. Again, that's called the do-do method. It's a pretty good method to become familiar with. Hopefully that was helpful. As usual, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. And don't forget to tune in next time with Math with Marilyn. Thank you.